guys, assalamu alaikum, sanibona. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. So guys, in this video we are doing a decluttering, like my daughter's room. It had been a while since I actually came in as a mother and just check nicely what's going on. Yeah, so she usually, for the past 3 years, she does her own decluttering and own spring cleaning of her room. Yeah, but unfortunately she does a good job sometimes not. Yeah, so she actually, when you go to her room, it's usually just clean up on the surface where your eyes can see, but when you open the wardrobes, it's usually a mess. Hopefully from now on she will start being neat. If I open her wardrobes, they should be neat, as we are just really just taking a lot of things out. Yeah, whenever she gets time, she does do thorough cleaning, and you know what, yeah, but anyway, yeah, so we are actually doing a makeover for her room. Her birthday is coming soon, so she asked we must do a makeover for her. Yeah, so we are doing that. So I said, you know what, since we are doing that, we need to really declutter. There's just a lot of things in her room. We had books from grade 2, and now she's in grade 8, so we needed to draw some books that we won't need anymore, and then save some of the books, like if my son goes to the same school as hers, especially the language books and maths. Yeah, then I wanted to save some of those books, and then some of them we had to throw them away. Yeah, just, you know, I think what came out from her room, like things that we didn't need anymore, it's about maybe 70%, and the books was just a lot. And the things that she usually get from, like, if Punjabis, they were sent from her father's side, some of them they've gotten small, like, I'm telling you, there was just so many things that needed to go out from this room. Yeah, so usually before my son, you know what, maybe I'm to blame also. Before my son, I used to pay more attention to her room, actually. Like, after that, I said, you know what, she's old enough now, she must be able to manage her room by herself. And you know what, yeah, so that's why you see, like, the like these things, like, way back. Yeah, anyway, I hope you will get some motivation if you ever have to have a room like this, which was just it was just too much clutter, like just too much clutter, too many clothes that she was not wearing anymore. And you know, as they grow, they change their styles. Now and then they like this, now and then they don't like this, so we had to, like, get rid of a lot of her things. Yeah, and yeah guys, that's what I'm doing here. And towards the end of the video, I'll also be painting her room. So this is the first video that I'm going to be doing of her room, and then the second one will be like the proper makeover, like new things coming in her room. Yeah, okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you so much for being here. You'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go. But it won't end. You are never true to heart. You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you'll let me.
getting late. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go. Boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go. Boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time is a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Go ahead and tell your friends. Talk it out, but it won't end. You are never true to heart. You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go. Boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go. Boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time is a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next.
I think me, her father, and her brother all together, our clothes. That's how much clothes she had in her room. And here I was getting a bit angry with her because she usually just cleans sometimes. And you know what I would say to her? I said, don't throw anything. Come show mama before you go throw things, because sometimes you'll throw things that actually are important. And said, you know what she would do? Now she would clean and put everything in the plastic and still put it in her room somewhere on top, just like here. She was so scared to take it out, that plastic bag. She didn't know what was inside. And you know what? I was so angry. I was so angry. I was so angry with her because, yeah, she's supposed to come and show me whatever she's taking out. What's the use of cleaning the room and still keeping the trash still in the room? Yeah, anyway, but yeah, slowly, here you can start seeing the difference, like in her room. The wardrobes were finished. We're only just sorting out some abayas and some of majority actually of those clothes that we took it out from that wardrobe you see there in that corner, the one that we just did today. Like 90% of the things on that wardrobe she don't wear at all. And since she started with the online madrasa, she don't even wear the abayas. So I was like, it's better we keep some of them in a suitcase somewhere on top or in some bags, and when the need for it to wear, like if we go to Pakistan, then we will need the Punjabis to wear that side. Then that time we'll take the Punjabis and wear them that side, and them just be hanging and taking out space for no reason. Okay guys, please carry on watching. So guys, I hope all my South African brothers and sisters, wherever you guys are, I hope you guys are fine. I know we are going through such a difficult time as a country, and I am so much praying that this time shall pass. And my heart is really just broken for those families who the parents have lost their jobs. I mean, like, you know what, I think sometimes people, they really do not think, they just think about themselves, whatever they're going through, and then they take it out the anger, not thinking that this thing is actually going to affect us. It's affecting a lot of people, and it's also going to affect the people who are actually looting. We understand they're already having their own difficulty, but why you want to make difficulty for everyone else? Like, yeah, but anyway, I'm praying this shall pass. You know, this what is happening right now. It is things that you see on TV, you watch on movies, and you never think that it will really happen. Like, yeah, but fortunately for me, where I am, I stay in a small town, so nothing much is happening here. Some crooks, they did try to take advantage of the situation, but I think the community was able to just control the situation, so we are fine. But I'm praying for my brothers and sisters in Durban, in Johannesburg. I pray, guys, you people must be safe, and I hope all will get back to normal, hopefully soon.
Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego,
So here we had started to paint, but the pink was too strong for this. We didn't buy a primer, so we just painted the first layer just as a primer then, but we needed to paint 2 times again. And the other 2 times I had to paint myself all this room because my husband is only free on Sundays, so he did help on Sunday. He made like the primer, the first layer, and then during the week whenever I got time, then I did the other 2 layers. Yeah, now the room is looking nice. She wanted white. She's going for that aesthetic look. Yeah, so but you guys will see on the next video how the end result will be. Okay guys,
That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes.
I couldn't record everything of me painting this room just because of the space on my phone. I do a lot of recording that I don't upload it on time, so my phone is always full. Yeah, so I just show you guys a little bit what I did, which is this one. It was still my second layer, and then that third layer I didn't show at all of me doing that. Yeah, so if you ask me if I will do it again, I will paint again the room, for sure I would. I like doing things by myself. Actually, I can't always wait for my husband to do things for me. Like when I need things done, I need things done, as in like right now I don't have time to wait for anyone. Yeah, so that's why I just decided, you know what, I cannot wait for another Sunday for my husband to come and help with the painting. I can do it. So I did it, and I think I will be doing my room soon. I will see. The only thing that holds me from doing everything that I really want is my health. Yeah, because some of the things, just like painting, let's say if I was painting this whole room with oil paint, that would be a different story. I will not do that because that's very harmful, and I suffer a lot from chest problems. So yeah, the video has come to the end. Just a quick to show you what's happening. The room, I have decluttered a lot of the things. Inside the wardrobe, still some of the clothes will be coming back, so everything will be done on the next video. This is how far we have come. I've finished painting only just inside the wardrobes and other decors, and the bed and her study table that will be coming in after this. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.